Synopsis presentation on IoT based motion detection alarm by using PIR sensor, presented by Lekit KS, Department of Electronic and Communication Engineering, Bahubali College of Engineering, Shravana Bedagula. Contents. Introduction. Scope. Objectives. Methodology. Hardware and software requirements. Advantages. Applications. Expected result and reference papers. Introduction. Due to increasing number of crime and burglary, the need of security system is very essential. Security is needed by everyone in the society nowadays to protect their property or confidential information from others. Motion detection alarm can be used for providing security to home, shopping mall, etc. Scope. Motion sensor alarm usually fused with burglar alarm and go off when an intruder is detected. They are used to secure off burglars and keep your home secure. They can be utilized to trigger cam alarm or send notice alerts when an approved entry is observed. Objective. To design a system that can alert owner through alarm signal about access to specific points of a building. To program the software to receive signal from PIR motion sensor and trigger the alarm. To create a webhooks using IFTT. Methodology. Methodology continue. The block diagram consists of a PIR motion sensor which connects to the node MCU ESP8266. Whenever the PIR detects motion, then the output states of the PIR sensor will change, which will be detected by the controller. Then have to program on the node MCU to make an HTTP GET request to our IFTT webhooks applet. Whenever the HTTP GET request has been made, then it will trigger a notification alert on our mobile phone. Hardware and software requirements. Hardware requirements: node MCU ESP8266, PIR sensor, LED resistor. And software requirement: Arduino IDE and IFTT server. Node MCU ESP8266 is an open source lab based firmware and development board specially targeted for IoT based application. Node MCU has 16 general purpose input output pins on its board. Node MCU ESP8266 chip having 10 silica Extensa 32-bit LX106 RISC microprocessor. PIR sensor. A passive infrared sensor is an electronic sensor that measures infrared light radiating from objectives in its field of view. PIR sensor generates plus 5V and minus 5V sine signal. PIR sensor module has a 3 pins VCC, ground and out. LED. Light emitting diode is a semiconductor device that emits light when an electric current is passed through it. Light is produced when the particles that carry the current combine together within the semiconductor material. Resistor. A resistor is a passive two-terminal electrical component that implements electrical resistance as a circuit element. In electronic circuit, resistors are used to reduce current flow, adjust signal levels to divide voltage. Arduino IDE. The Arduino IDE supports language C and C++ using special rules of code structuring. The Arduino IDE supplies a software library from the Wiring project which provides many common input and output procedures. IFTT server. IFTT server, if this then that is a free IoT web-based service that allows to send trigger from one device or thing and allow that trigger to make something happen. These connect over 50 online and messaging service together. Advantages. Motion sensor alarm can be used in very harsh environment having irregular heat cycles. It detects motion in light and dark condition, reliability in indoors. It helps in provide security by detecting suspicious movement. It is easy to install motion sensors. Saves energy. Applications. Automated lighting system, security systems, smart floodlights, burglar alarm, radar guns. Expected result. The outcome of this project is that detect the motion and sends a message to the Android device through IFTT server when the movement of people, animal or any object. References. These are references for my project. Thank you.